excited na mauna ni moment. Yes, Brigadier Arnel. Yes, Brigadier Arnel.
Certificate of support of the winning candidate for provincial governor for the May 12, 2025 national, local, and parliamentary election. We, the undersigned members of the Provincial Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 51 city and municipalities for the candidates for provincial governor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part of the statement of votes by municipality, city and municipality garnered by its candidate for the office of provincial governor. That after such canvass, it appears that Baricuatro 1,107,924 votes for the office of provincial governor. The same being the highest number of votes legally cast for the said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected provincial governor of the province of Cebu. We will fix our signatures and imprint the top mark of the province in the province of Cebu. This May 13, 2025 3:26 Malayo doktor na magyapon ko yung picture. Atras mo, atras, atras! Atras kamay, atras! Atras kamay, kinapay na kan sa kayo.
Atras, atras, makakuha ka na yan. May kamera sa likod.
Atras pa, atras, atras!
Atras, atras, atras! Atras, atras!
Paminaw mo ba, paminaw! Lala mo na, atras, atras! Atras mo kamay, atras, atras!
Mga kamera kay saka excited na mauna ni moment. Yes, Brigadier Arnel. Yes, Brigadier Arnel.